How to download WePlay app. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to launch a Play Store or App Store in your mobile device. In the search bar, you need to search for WePlay. Tap on the application. There you will find an install button. Click on it. Wait until the application is totally installed. Mind it might take a while. Once installed, you can tap on the Open button. WePlay is a popular gaming application that offers a variety of casual party games and voice interaction feature. From social deduction games like WeParty to creative challenges like Draw and Guess, WePlay offers a wide range of options. You can even enjoy real-time voice chat with the friends while playing games. Connect with friends, make new acquaintances, and share gaming experience. This is how you'll be able to download and install WePlay in your device. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.